Hi there, welcome to today's video. After last week's video where I showed how to wire the split charge relay system up on the board, seemed to be quite well received. I thought I'd do another one that I promised earlier, showing how to wire up the 12-volt tap and the wheel pump, the water pump. In the kitchen video that I made, where I went over to see my dad to fit the sink in the tap unit, we had a little bit of difficulty wiring up the tap because the instructions, as seems to be the case these days, aren't really helpful. So, like I say, I've decided I'll show you on the board just how to do it. So again, I'm not going to strip the van because it's took us a long time to build it up. So you're just going to have to use your imagination. We've got the 12-volt feed coming in from the leisure battery. You've got your 12-volt tap with the micro switch. Now, just to be clear, this is cold water only. I don't know how to do it if you've got a hot tap coming in as well. I've not done it. I assume it would be the same, but I don't know, so I don't want to say for certain yes or no. So, like I say, we've got the leisure battery, you've got your tap, and then you've got your 12-volt water pump. The one that I installed was the Whale brand. Um, I've got the instructions here. Like I say, they were pretty useless if I'm totally honest. Yeah, like I say, it did tell you which option it was, but like I say, it doesn't really matter. They've just fallen on the floor. So yeah, like I say, you've got your three elements that make up the system, and essentially you just need to make a loop for the current to go through. I wish someone had put it so simple as that when I was looking how to do it. It's like I say, basically you need your 12-volt feed to come in from your battery. You need it to come in through the tap, through the pump, and back to the battery. It's so like I say. So a couple of things. First of all, before you get started, in the wheel pump guide, it tells you need to use these are minimum cable sizes. Again, I've just used this thin little cable here for demonstration. You need to use minimum of 16 AWG cable or 1.3 millimeter cable. Those are minimum sizes. You can use obviously bigger if that's what you have, but don't use smaller. And also, you need to have a 5 amp fuse. So I'll show you where to put that shortly. So let's just crack on. So you've got your positive feed coming from your battery, and you need to connect that to your tap positive. So you've got positive to positive, and this is where you put your 5 amp fuse. So you put your fuse here on the cable coming in, and then you need to connect these two together. So I'll quickly do that and I'll come back to you. So there you go, we've got the positive from the battery to the positive of the tap with the 5 amp fuse in the middle. So next we need to take the negative from the tap and connect that to the positive of the pump. So again, bear with me, I'll be 2 seconds, I'll connect those together, we'll come back to you. So there you go, you've got your negative from the tap going to the positive of the whale water pump. And then there's only one more connection to make. It's the negative from the battery to the negative of the water pump. So that's the circuit complete. Like I say, it's literally as simple as that. You got your positive coming in from the leisure battery. You've got it going through a 5 amp fuse using a minimum of 16 AWG cable or 1.3 millimeter cable through your fuse to your 12-volt tap. And then you've got your negative from the tap going to the positive of the whale pump, the water pump, and then your negative from the pump going back to your leisure battery. So just to be clear quickly, in the kit that I got, while I've used red and black just so you can show positive and negative, the kit I got, it's got the whale pump. They used brown wire for positive and they used blue wire for negative. Just double check your instructions. And also on the tap that I had, the cables were white, and the only way to tell the difference, one of them had a black line down the white cable. So it was two white cables, one of them with a black line down the cable. So just bear in mind, not everyone will use black and red to show positive and negative. But again, like I say, it seems like a complicated job. It certainly had me stressed out before I figured it out, how to get it working. Instructions were absolutely useless, and it's really, really simple. Once you know what you're doing, it's really simple. So hopefully this video will help you and save you the headache that I had trying to sort it out. If this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. It would really help with the YouTube algorithm. You know, it lets them know that you've enjoyed this video and to show more people this video. If you want to see more videos like this, if you'd give it a subscribe, that would be great again. It just helps our channel to grow. And finally, if you want to get notifications of when we do release new videos, if you just press on the bell icon, that'll give you a quick notification whenever we release a new video. So that's all for now. I'll say thanks for watching and bye for now. Take care.